neighbors, it's Carey Mitchell from Yellow Dog Real Estate. I'm standing outside of 901 15th Avenue in Redwood City. It's a duplex, and each side feels like its own single family home. They each have their own front yard, backyard, driveway, one-car garage, and laundry. So it's very private. There's no walls connecting each other, and it's freshly painted inside and out. I think you're gonna really love this property. Come inside, see what you think. Love this property. If you have any questions or you want more information, please email me at getyellowdog@gmail.com, call 650-868-5779, or log on to the website 90115thave.com. Have a great day.